1, go.
Okurujirira abebembezi hariho kwetomba itongo bamwe mu bantu bakoma obwire buringwa rero na bwanyuma bakishanga bateine mishango barekurwa hatariho nsumbushano yona hazobwe bamazire kushwara no kusigwa enziro.
As we come out to fight corruption, which we must all fight, because corruption is counterproductive to us all, and when you encourage corruption, sometimes it catches up with you, so we must all come at it. But then there are cases why you come and accuse somebody. I think in Uganda the system is you are innocent unless proven guilty. So you make a public accusation using the Jacobin style. Somebody is accused, but what if later you find him innocent?
I actually, if it's my humble request, if this RSA would at least be confirmed specifically for the Antonde here.
Abanyamateka nibagira ngo ezinuze zimwe hanshonga ezibaretiro kwiriza hihi offices za PPD okugonjora ebizibu nk'ebyo muchanga.
So we are always looking at areas where we can get free land, and the districts have the capacity to identify free land which is accessible, which is connected to the other centers of action, police, judiciary, and all other local government centers.
I want to report that we are fully accommodated and housed, starting from Chotera, Rakai, and Liantonde.
Hey.
And just at the neighborhood, the building you are seeing is of judiciary, courtesy of the gift from Liantonde District Local Government.
Bitu babantu ba burijo nibashaka kwemanyiza kuhereza obujuruzi buri kumara ekibaseko tokuchendeza emishenjano nk'egyo mbyanga byabo.
Let us continue to uphold the highest standards of ethics, integrity, diligence, and teamwork. So let this facility inspire us to provide timely, efficient, and people-centered prosecution services.
I'm trying my level best, and I'm thanking the stakeholders, the court, and all the other stakeholders for the coordination, the cooperation you have given to me for during my 6 months stay here. Everything is okay.
Echombe kweshi chimazireho sente ziri kweshumba miliyoni 5.3 kandi offices nazo kusiya obuhereza abantu kuruga mu districts nka Lyantonde, Rakai, Rwengo na Sembabule. Ndisande William ahabwa TV West.